dear students, welcome to the online session of English. Students, in previous session we started a new poem on killing a tree, which is written by Guy Patel, an Indian English writer. Students, in that session we completed 2 stanzas of this poem, and through this poem we have read when poet is telling us that if you want to kill a tree, and first of all students understand this thing, then as we know then trees are very useful for us. They are very beneficial for us. So there is no need to cut a tree. So actually now through this poem, poet is telling us to kill a tree, but intentionally he doesn't want to kill a tree. This poem is a symbolic composition. Through this poem, poet wants to make us known by making a symbol of tree. Then if we want to kill a tree, then it's not an easy task. We have to kill it properly by using a proper process. Means if you think that simply if we have cut down its leaves and branches and you think that we have killed a tree, so it's your misunderstanding. Because if you want to kill it properly, so you have to completely eradicate it with its roots. So same thing is there through this poem. Poet want to make us know that if you are having many evils in you, as we know that we are having many misdeeds, many evils, many mistakes in us. So if we want to remove them, if we want to eradicate them, if we want to uproot them, we have to finish them completely. Because if we think once, then we have removed it. So and then we leave it. We did not notice it. So then again they can enter in us. So we have to keep an eye on them always. And as they start to grow in us, so we should remove them. And we should remove them with their roots, so they would not get a chance to grow up again. So in first and second stanza, poet has told us how to kill a tree, and we have to kill it properly, because it's not an easy task. If you think only, then you have done, so it is not sufficient. Now in third stanza, which we are going to read, poet is telling us the process to kill a tree in a complete way. So let's recite. Stanza number 3. The root is to be pulled out of the entering earth. It is to be robed, tied, and pulled out, snapped out, or pulled out entirely, and out from the earth cave, and the strength of the tree exposed, the source wide and wet, the most sensitive hidden for years inside the earth. So here poet is telling the root is to be pulled out. If you want to kill a tree in a proper or in a complete way, then what you have to do? You have to cut its upper part after that. After that, don't think now your work has done, because it is not only sufficient, it is not enough. After that, what you have to do? You have to take its roots out. Only then you can finish it completely. So you have to take out, you have to pull out roots of tree out of the entering earth. Now here entering earth. Earth is compared with a cave. Entering earth means earth like a cave. Earth is compared with a cave. So here comparison has given. Means here poetic device metaphor is present in entering earth. So as earth is like a cave and it has saved all the roots of the tree. So you have to take out all the roots of the tree from this earth. It is to be roped tight, and you have to tie up all the roots of the tree and pulled out, and then pull out from the earth and its power, its source of energy will be divided and it will become weak. Students, as you know that many times if you have seen that during road construction, then here government cut the tree, then they take out its roots with the help of JCB or with the different manners, so that those roots would not able to grow up again, because they can create an obstacle in roads and they can be problem for public. So now you have to take out its roots and chop them or pull out entirely and take them out in a complete way. Out from the earth cave, take them from the earth completely and the strength of the tree exposed. So in this way, the strength of the tree would be exposed. Means the strength of a tree would come out, because roots are the main source of strength, source of power for a tree, because only through roots trees absorb water and they get nutrition from the soil. So here roots are the main source of energy for a tree. So when these roots would come out, they would come out from the earth and now they would come in the contact of outer world. They would be exposed. Now they are bare and now they would be disconnected from the earth, from the soil. They would not be able to get nutrition from the soil. So they would become weak. So in this way, the source wide and wet, the most sensitive hidden, and wide and wet, that liquid which was giving nutrition to the tree, that would be which was under the soil and which was inside the earth. Now that would be exposed, that would be come out, which was hidden from a long time. Now that would be exposed, that would be come out and come in the contact of sunlight and that would be dried up. It means it would be weak, and when this white liquid would be dried up, it would not able to give nutrition and power to tree. In that way tree would be weak. And now here we can say this is the real death of a tree, because now as it has become disconnected from its nutrition part and now this white liquid and roots are not able to provide nutrition to tree. So now in that way tree has become weak and it is not able to grow up. So here we can say now it is the death of tree. Now tree has died completely. Students, in wide and wet, as W has repeated, and we know very well that if repetition of letters is given in poem, that which poetic device is this? Alliteration. Now along with this, today's session has ended.